Morning. It is smoothie time. Smoothie time, and we survived the storm last night. There was such a horrible storm last night, and Mario is not a storm dog at all. But I gotta bring. I was just watching how Chris beat cancer. Here, it's just wonderful. Here we go. And I haven't caught. I haven't. There's Christy.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Christy. I haven't really stayed up with his modules just because I've been so busy, and I really, shame on me because my pain has been getting worse, and I know I've lost some weight. I know people have been concerned about that. Isn't this cute? This place, it's so cute. And so I committed myself while I was in the RV last night to listening to one of his modules, and it was talking about some of the very important supplements that we need to help build our immune system. And I don't want to keep saying beat cancer, because I have rebuked the cancer. This is my journey. I really believe that it is not in my body anymore. If there was any, it was just so that the Lord could be glorified. What Satan came to kill, rob, and destroy, God is using for his glory. But I have years and years of trauma to my body, starting with my bike accident, and then, going into a divorce, the loss of the homestead, the loss of... So in the middle of me talking, obviously, I'm nobody. Oh, look at that. Look at how he's going to do that. He's making his cuts. I think he's come and push it over. I betcha. That's dangerous too if he's going to push it over. That's very dangerous. I've seen people push stuff over and maybe not. Oh, he's getting water. He's getting water. Oh, maybe he is going to push it over. Oh, no, maybe not. So this is the highlight of our morning. But anyway, as I was saying, he is going to push it over. No, that's dangerous. That is way too dangerous. Why are they doing it that way? All right. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, and they even missed the picnic tables. That's pretty good. All right, I'm going to sit here and take my supplements. But as I was saying, I have been through a lot of trauma and a lot of loss. And I got kicked out of that spot. They have no courtesy here, apparently. I guess when a job needs to be done, it needs to be done. But anyway, okay, we're heading out, folks. It's 1 o'clock. We got a 5-hour drive. We're just going to take the standard RV pick, and then they're on the way. I went for a very short bike ride. It's just to get the legs moving. Got to get the blood flow all the time. Always move. So, okay, picture time. Okay, there we go. We got the prayer done. I cry a lot when I pray. But Christy led, and that was beautiful. But you gotta bless you gotta ask for the blessings, right? You gotta pray and just rejoice in the Lord. Rejoice always. Always. So we're leaving, and the next time you see me, we'll be in Wisconsin, where the next mission field begins. Well, this is lovely. Chicago. Getting close to Chicago. And of course, I picked the toll booth that is at a standstill. I thought I was bad. Oh, brother. Somebody must not have any money. Something's going on. But my sister's waiting for me. It's going good. Just got to get through the tolls. And you see the license plates have changed. It's Wisconsin now. Okay, thank you. I guess I made his day. I gave him a $20 bill. It was $3.20. They charge more for me. I guess because I'm ruining the roads with this big RV. Okay, off we go. I hope there's not too many more tolls. I remember when I was in New York, Boy, they charge a lot of money in New York for their tolls. I almost died. All right. Off and going. Wow, I'm in my old stomping grounds. Madison, Wisconsin is only 20 miles away. I was giving my sisters the flashers. Usually I call, but we're gonna stop for gas. By Deerfield. I'm sure a lot of you know this area. So we're gonna stop and I'm gonna just lay down for a little bit. Oh, my sister's filming. The same time I'm filming. And for Mario, look at I got. He loves his doggy dollars. Look at how happy he is. Oh, Mario. There's my Mario. And there's little Chanel. Beautiful weather. Hi, Mario. Are you gonna even say hi? He's like, no. Look at those are wild beans. Those are wild beans, yeah. So I'm just gonna lay for a second. My back feels awesome. I've been praying. My back feels good today. I know, I know. Yes, we prayed. We prayed. There's the RV. Look at those blue skies. There's a doggy dollar for Mario. He likes doggy dollars and beef jerky. Hint, 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 hint. He always needs treats. He's a treat dog. And we got a little beef jerky the one time, and boy, did he like that too. Look at that. He loves those. He's a doggy dollar dog. It's a beautiful breeze out here too. We're only 3 hours. 3 hours. So I'm laying here and just stretching my back a little bit, but it started hurting a little bit in the RV, and I prayed so mightily, and it went away. Telling you, we got the dunamis power in us. We got the anointing power from the Holy Spirit. Use it. Well, Christy missed the turn. I knew she missed the turn. She missed the turn. So now we got to backtrack. I know where I'm going. I got to get back on 51, but who knows if I'm going to be able to hook up with her. So we're just going to have to rendezvous. Should be good all the way up until this wrong turn. And I thought, oh, this isn't good. Why is she turning here? And she like jackhammered, across traffic because she thought she had to take this exit, and she didn't. So, but that's okay. I've done that. I've done it. We'll find her. It's good. We need to get some walkie-talkies. That's what I think we need to get. Okay, so we got a flat. We're just filming and we're really happy, and we got a flat. The RV has a flat. So I'm gonna call my insurance company because I got, praise the Lord. It's crazy. It is so crazy.